Hey guys, Abhinav here, and in this video I'm gonna tell you about the top 5 smartphone, basically the top 5 mid-range smartphone in India in 2018. So without beginning late, let's get started. Let's talk about our fifth smartphone, the Realme U1, the smartphone which recently launched in India. It is the selfie-centric smartphone. It contains the 25 megapixel front-facing camera. It contains the new MediaTek Helio P70 which is announced recently. As I have said that it is selfie-centric smartphone, but its rear camera is not so good. It has 13 plus 2 megapixel rear camera combination. It is not so good. It lacks EIS, which means your video will not be stabilized. But considering the price point of 12k, it makes the sense. The fourth phone is from Nokia, the Nokia 6.1 Plus. It contains the 16 plus 5 megapixel rear camera and the 16 megapixel front facing camera on the front. It contains the Qualcomm Snapdragon 636, which is also a nice processor. It got the glass sandwich design, which feels very premium in hand. The price is 15k of this. Considering the brand name of Nokia, it is nice. The third phone is from Xiaomi, the Redmi Note 6 Pro. It is the same as the Redmi Note 5 Pro. Its processor is also the same, that is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 636, but in this time Xiaomi has improved their cameras. It contains the quad cameras, 12 plus 5 at the back and 20 plus 2 at the front. It contains the Snap 4000 mAh battery. The second phone is also from Realme, the Realme 2 Pro. It contains the Qualcomm Snapdragon 660. It has the decent camera in rear as well as in front. It contains the 16 plus 2 megapixel camera at back and 16 megapixel camera on front. It contains very slim bezel thanks to the water drop notch. Realme prices this phone at very aggressively, that is 14k. For this price point, it is a great phone. The first phone is the asus Zenphone Max Pro M2. I know it's difficult, but it is amazing phone. At the price point of 13k, you get everything. A powerful processor, that is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 660, a good cameras, that is 12 plus 5 at the back and 13 megapixel at front. It has the gigantic battery of 5000 mAh. Also you got a notch, which personal preference, whether you will like it or hate it. A bloat-free stock Android and Gorilla Glass 6 at this price point. Really, it is a great phone. Alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, you could smash down the subscribe button down below. This is Abhinav. You have been watching Aspiring Abhinav, and I'm signing off for now.